guys, so today I wanted to do a sudden evening party type of look, and this is a very simple eyeshadow look, but I love the way it came out. It looks super stunning and I love the combination of colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I already did most of my face, so I'm just going to apply my my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna start off by applying this one by Essence, and it's transition shade, so it's very simple. You guys just apply it with a fluffy brush and that's about it. Just focus that color right in the creased area and maybe a little bit in the inner corner just to make it everything super smooth and blended. The fun part about this makeup look is that basically you want to start with a light shade and then you want to move on to darker colors. You can start with a matte shade or a sparkly eyeshadow, it doesn't matter. I chose a light shade and then a dark shade, and then I went ahead and blended the two colors, and that's about it. Okay, so now that my colors are super blended together, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the sparkly eyeshadow, and I'm gonna wet my brush with this setting spray, and this one is by Maybelline, and I just pretty much just sprayed my brush and applied this pretty coral type of eyeshadow, and this one is by L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner. No, it's not eyeliner, but it's basically the line Infallible. So basically, yeah, I just went ahead and applied that right in the inner corner and focus that right there because I want the sparkly to be especially like a really nice touch in the inner corner. And yeah, this is pretty much what I've done for the eyes. I try to focus the colors in the outer part and blend in all the colors that I keep applying. Just pretty much just do that and repeat it with the process. Okay, so for the final step, I apply my gel eyeliner, and you guys know that I'm really bad with gel eyeliner, but I still wanted to try it out. And what I did here was basically apply it with an angled brush, and then I continued to blend it super well with another angled brush, but it was a little bit more fluffy. And this was by Elf, and yeah, that is pretty much what I did to both of my eyes, and I love the way it came out. I know the other eye doesn't look even, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that later on with like a makeup remover wipe, and it's done. And what I basically did was just pretty much clean the edges or any fallout that I had from my eyeshadow, and the look is pretty much done. I decided to pair this look up with like a very dark lipstick, and I love the way it turned out. Super pretty and super wonderful for an evening party, and you guys can switch up the lip color and it will be perfect for the occasion you want. I love this makeup, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Have an awesome day.